We want to check the resistance on our leads before we do any testing. I've got 1.4 ohms of resistance. It really sucks if you have a bad lead and don't retest your equipment. I've seen a lot of guys and replace components because they thought something was out of spec when it was their meter. Ooh, ready, tank. Wow, that was worth the fight. That was awesome. That was awesome. This is a brand new tool. First time I've used this. Forgive me for wearing gloves, but it's only 15 degrees and dropping. Let me use a mirror and make sure I've got. Yep, my bolt is inside that nut. Well, there's one more pretty awesome little tool I really like. Great Amazon find. And now I just got to find a spot somewhere in my humble little tool wagon of a service truck. So next I just got to throw some mud flaps and then look at a belt issue on a Cascadia. And then we can probably call it a day and go home and have some hot cocoa. It cooled off. It started this morning. It was beautiful. We had blue skies. It was about 54, 56 degrees when I left the house this morning. And then a little bit ago, in about 12 minutes, it dropped about 20 degrees. Now we're down to about 15, 14. Now we'll be playing with a lift gate today on a nice warm wintry Montana day. .9 for definitely discharge. So next I gotta go move the truck around and hook my truck. Well, I already got a truck hooked up. We'll use the tractor power source, get it running, and see if our battery charger is charging. So we found the problem on this lift gate. Luckily it was a pretty simple. So I checked voltage and ground to our onboard charger from the truck. I was only getting like 2.8 volts. Shouldn't have been. Should have been truck battery voltage coming in. Went to the front panel, light plug, opened it up, looked good. Opened up the little logic box, junction box, to check the fuse that powers this charger, 40 amp maxi fuse. And that's why I don't like cheap branded Harbor Freight fuses. Let me show this to you. So I dropped the other half of the spade. It was actually fractured and broke right there as I pulled off the rubber cap. This other spade stayed inside the fuse holder, so occasionally it would touch and kind of try to charge. Yeah, we're up to 7 degrees today. About a little over a week before Christmas. Good day time to be in a service truck. It pays the bills. It's all about paying the bills. And maybe have a little left over to play on a motorcycle or a toy.